Good afternoon, children. Let's begin with our English grammar session, Standard 1. Now tell me, what are you seeing in this picture? Yes, this is the book. And this right hand side, there is also books. But they are only one? No, they are more than one. Here, there is a one book. Here, there is a more than one book. One means only one, and if it is more than one, we call it as many. So many means more than one, and one means only one. Can we repeat one more time? One means only one, and more than one means many. So today we are going to learn our English grammar topic is one and many. Changing from one to many, we are going to add s to the end of the word. Now let's see how we are convert one to many. Just see this. Here, what you see? Yes, it's a balloon. And here, there are more than one balloon. Here, one, and here there are many balloons. You just see the spelling of the balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon for one. Next to the balloon, so here we add S to the end of the word. So, what is the spelling of the balloon now? B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. Balloons. So, when there is a one, there is only one balloon. But when there are more than one, we add s to the end of the word. So, how will you read it? Balloons. One balloon, many balloons. Now, we'll see the next example. What is this? Picture. Correct. It's a guitar. There is only one guitar. And on the right hand side, there are more than one guitar. So here is only one guitar. Here, if it is more than one, we call it as many. So there are guitars. See the spelling of the guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R. Guitar. One guitar. If it is many, we are adding S to the end of the word. So how will read it? Guitars. G-U-I-T-A-R-S. Guitars. We'll see the next. What are you seeing in this picture? Correct. It's a rose. Here we are seeing a single rose. Only one rose. So that is the one. So next to that we are seeing many rows, which means more than one. So that is called many roses. See the spelling of the rose. R-O-S-E, rose. And here, see the spelling of rose. Here we are going to add S to the end of the word, right? So, one rose, R-O-S-E, rose. And many roses, R-O-S-E-S. So, understood? One and many. We'll see the next example. Here, one mango. And next to that, more than one mango. So, I will read it. One mango and many mangoes. What are you seeing in this picture? Yes, correct. It's a pencil which with you write. Here is only one pencil, and on the right hand side there are more than one. So, how will read it? Pencil. Pencil. And if it is more than one, we'll add s to the end of the word. So, pencils. So, how will read it? Pencils. So, one pencil and many pencils. Here, we see only one egg. Just see the below spelling of the egg. E-G-G, egg. Correct? So, there is only one egg. See that here many eggs. Many means we are seeing more than one egg here. So, how we are going to write many eggs? We are adding s to the spelling of the egg. So, how will read it? E-G-G-S, eggs. Here one egg and here many eggs. Okay, right? Here, here we are seeing a cat. Here only one cat. That is only one. And right hand side we can see more than one cat, which means many. See spelling of one cat. C-A-T, cat, which means only one. And for many cat, spelling is C-A-T-S, cats. Here we add S to the end of the word cat. So understood? One cat and many cats. Here it's a toy. That is only one toy. That is, and here we can see many toys. So that is many types. So we are going to add s to the end of the word toy. So I'll read it. T-O-Y-S, toys. Here is only one toy. T-O-Y, toy. Here there are many toys. More than one means many. Here we are seeing a single tree, and next to this we can see many trees. That means there are many trees. So we are going to write S to the end of the word tree. So it become trees. There is a one tree, T-R-E-E, tree, and there are many trees, T-R-E-E-S. So one tree and many trees. Here there is only one dog, D-O-G, dog, and to the right hand side there are more than one dog. So we call it as many dogs. So we are add s to the end of the word. So it's spelling D-O-G-S, dogs. One dog and many dogs. Here you can see the picture of a pen. Here it's only one pen. P-E-N, pen. On the right hand side, you will see more than one pen. So we call it as many pens. While adding S, so it become pens. P-E-N-S. There is only one pen and many pens. So understood? How we write one and many? We are adding S to the end of the word. Here, there's only one car. C-A-R, car. One means only one. Here, on the right hand side, you can see more than one car. So, if it is more than one, we call it as many. So, how will write it? We add S to the end of the word. So, we'll get many. Means C-A-R, car, means only one car. And if it is many, how will write it? C-A-R-S, cars. Understood? Now, it's time to do an activity. Now here, that's what's given. From 1, we have to write into as many. So what we have to do? We have to add S to the end of the word. See the first word. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. How it become many? By adding S to the end of the word. So I'll write it S-T-A-R-S. Stars. One star. Many stars. Second. Ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. In the many, R-I-N-G-S. Rings. So one ring, many rings. Number 3. B-O-Y, boy, means only one boy. If it is more than one, we add S to the end of the word. So B-O-Y-S, boys, many boys. Number 4. B-I-R-D, bird, one bird. If there are more than one bird, we call it as many. So we are adding S to the end of the word. So B-I-R-D-S, birds. Number 5. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. There is only one flower. If it is more than one, means many, we are adding S to the end of the word. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. So understood how you write one to many. Town. T-O-W-N, town. One town. If it is more than one, we add S to the end of the word. So T-O-W-N-S, towns. So many towns. One town, many towns. So understood how we write one to the many. I hope you had understood one and many. Thank you. Be safe. Stay at home. Take care.